Wagwan. So you gave your seeds the right soil, the right watering techniques, and they still grew tall, thin, and floppy. That's called Leggy Seedlings, and it's almost always a lighting problem. Here's how to fix it. Ready? Now, once your seeds have popped up out of the soil, immediately place them in light, whether it is indirect sunlight. You can use grow light like this one. Yeah, don't mind me. We gotta turn and make fashion, and set up with the grow light. Don't worry, it's nighttime, so double duty. So we can use our grow lights. Oh, don't fall off like these. And with the artificial grow light, get them as close to it as possible, but you don't want them to touch because the heat from it will scorch the leaves. Now, the heat will help with the growth, but if they touch the light, they may end up being scorched, so we don't want that. As your seedling grows more, you can increase the light and you can start placing them in a sunnier location. If the weather or climate permits, you can start placing them outside.